What's up guys, it's Rob from Whittle by Whittle. Welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to look at the differences between hardwood and softwood and how you choose which piece is right for your particular project. So if you're interested to find out more, stick around and check it out.
Hardwood comes from slow-growing deciduous trees such as oak, maple and walnut. These trees have dense structures and beautiful grain patterns. Known for their durability and strength, hardwood is often used in high-quality furniture, cabinetry and flooring that need to withstand heavy use and often last for generations. In contrast, softwood comes from fast-growing evergreen trees such as pine, cedar and fir. These trees have softer textures and tend to be less dense compared to hardwood. Softwood is known for its versatility and affordability, making it a popular choice for framing, decking and outdoor applications where cost-effectiveness and ease of workability are key factors.
So I mentioned hardwood trees are deciduous and softwood trees are evergreen, but what does that actually mean? Well, a deciduous tree will lose its leaves come the autumn, lie dormant throughout winter and regrow the leaves again come spring. You'll often find that these trees produce some kind of nut or a fruit. Evergreen trees, on the other hand, as the name suggests, retain their leaves all year round. They don't produce a fruit or a nut, but they will often have some kind of seed.
When choosing which type of wood is right for your project, it's important to understand their growth characteristics and their unique properties. So let's take a closer look at some of the pros and cons of hardwood and softwood. Hardwood offers exceptional strength, durability and resistance to wear, making it a long-lasting choice for high-quality woodworking projects. However, hardwood can be more expensive and harder to work with due to its dense nature. Did you know that some hardwood species like ebony and cocobolo are so hard they can dull tools quickly? On the other hand, softwood is generally more affordable and easier to work with, making it a popular option for various woodworking applications. However, softwood may require more maintenance due to its softer texture and lower durability. Did you know that softwood can also be chemically treated to increase its resistance to rot, fungus and fire?
So in summary, both hard and softwood have distinct characteristics suitable for different projects. It's worth considering your specific needs such as strength, cost, workability to determine which is the best fit. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more woodworking content and I'll see you in the next one.